Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to game share with a different account on Steam, and this is actually really easy to do. So if you got like a friend or a family member you want to game share, go up to Steam right here, go down to Settings. Now, when you open this up, go on over to Family, and then you should be able to see your family under here. You might have to create and join a family. So what you want to do is go down to the bottom. There will be two different options. You have create a family or join a family. Now, depending on if you are the one being shared with or if you want to share your game library. So if you want to share your game library, create a family. So I created a family. It's called Timbo's Family right here. And these are my family members. So you can add more people. You can go to manage your Steam family once you have it set up. It'll bring you to this page. And all we have to do is go on down to invite a family member. So they have to be on your friends list. So go ahead and add them as a friend and then search for their Steam user profile right here and just type it in, whatever it is. And once they accept the invite, they will be added to your family. So I have these two people right here I'm waiting for. And then we got the library, requests, playtime, and history. So we can see actually how much they're playing. And looks like I joined the family yesterday. And then my nephew joined the family on the 1st of January or whatever. So once we have them accepting the invite, you just go to the family management right here and then go to join family on the bottom. And they can accept the invite. Then you can go on over to library. And then they can see all your games on here. So you can see I got like Dota 2. It says install from your Steam library, even though I'm on a different account. So I can just install the game and play. And I think only one person can play a game at a time from the library. So if there's like two people, I believe the person who owns everything will be able to play, but all the other family members will be kicked off then. So I think that's how it works. So, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.